Hi there. English communication is not only about words, or it's about not only about grammar or all these things. It's about your self-talk. It's about your affirmations. Affirmations is the positive self-talk which you do with yourself. That is affirmations. See, understand, whole day we are talking with ourselves. But the question is, what do we talk? Do we talk good things or do we talk bad things? In English communication, if you see, people will judge you, they'll criticize you. They will try and tear you down, pull you down. And you will find that it's difficult to improve. You will find that there is no improvement in your English. You will find that you are going nowhere. In this situation, self-affirmations play a very important role. In this video, I'm going to talk about self-affirmations. So let's start. So the thing you have to do is, you have to say these affirmations loudly. For example, say it loudly with me. I don't want to speak perfect English, but I want to speak better English. Say this affirmation. I don't want to speak perfect English, but I want to speak better English. Got it? Say it loudly with me. I don't want to speak perfect English, I want to speak better English. Now, the second affirmation is, every day and every way, I'm getting better in my English. Say to yourself, every day and every way, I'm getting better in my English. This affirmation will help you to develop that positive mindset. Usually, our expectation is we want to see a big and quick change. But change is happening, but we don't see that change. This affirmation will help you to develop that positive sense, that feeling that, yes, I'm improving and I'm getting better. So, say with me, every day and every way, I'm getting better in my English. The next affirmation is about your English. Many times I have seen that my students feel that their English is bad, pathetic, horrible. But the fact is, it's not like this. Your English is better than what you think, actually. So, let me tell you one affirmation here, which will help you to come out of this mental block. Say to yourself, my English is better. My English is better. I speak good English. Say to yourself, my English is better. I speak good English. Repeat again, my English is better and I speak good English. The next affirmation is very important. We always think that everyone is there to pull me down and they're laughing at my English. It's not the case. There may be a few exceptions, but most of the people are supportive. So this affirmation will help you to come out of this mental barrier which you have, that everyone is there to pull me down or criticize me. No. Repeat this affirmation with me. Say to yourself, everyone is helping me. Everyone is supporting me. Everyone is pushing me. Say with me, everyone is supporting me. Everyone is pushing me. Everyone is helping me. Everyone wants me to speak better English. Everyone wants me to speak better English. Got it? Come on. Let us go for the next and last affirmation. The last affirmation is about the process. See, what happens is, we are constantly worried about our English. We are constantly thinking about our English. Why I'm not getting the results? And the reason is we are focused on only results. Now, in this affirmation, what we are going to do is we are going to focus on the process. We will tell ourselves, we will direct our subconscious mind to focus on the process and not the results. So, say to yourself loudly, I'm enjoying the process. I'm enjoying the process. I'm enjoying English learning process. I'm enjoying the talks. I'm enjoying vocabulary improvement. I'm enjoying the podcast. Say to yourself. This will help you to just forget about the results and focus about the process. And the journey of English improvement will be fun. It's always said that The journey is more important than the destination. Same thing will happen here.